Hello and welcome to this training video on sampling. Here, you'll learn about the sampling process and how to sample effectively. Sampling is a marketing activity that involves having people try out selected products for free. We currently sample 10 brands including Passion, Guardia, Delta, Comet, Zyke, Polza, Procol, Nitinol, Minseed, and Herpesip. We have two types of sampling. The first one is the house-to-house mass sampling, where a sampler is required to move around, and then a sampling that happens at booths or activations. Today, we'll be working with a passion sampler to see how the passion sampling is carried out. A passion sampler carries cold water in a cooler, disposable cups to mix samples, sachets of passion energy drink, a carrier bag for your items, a working mobile phone and power bank to keep your phone charged at all times. A sampler walks around an assigned area, which may include neighborhood streets and markets, with the aim of introducing people to the product and also record their data. You're required to find and talk to people as you go. As soon as you find the person to be sampled, you start the process by introducing yourself and why you're with them. Then you go ahead to introduce the product, including its unique selling points, price of the product, and where it can be purchased. Now, a major aim of the sampling process is to increase brand awareness and generate interest. So ensure that you provide enough information about the product, and it should be accurate as well. The next step is to prepare the sample while the respondent observes. Now, for each respondent, you're required to mix half sachet of passion. While they enjoy their sample, you can receive any feedbacks or opinions they have about the product. Then you go ahead and give them a sachet of passion to try out later. Now the next step, which is also a major part of the process, is to record respondents' data in your sampling tracker. The first information you'll need to input is the respondent's name. Then you go ahead to fill in their sex or gender, and then their age. The next information you'll need is a phone number which they can be reached on. It needs to be working and accurate, so try and ensure they give this to you. Go ahead to ask them if they've used the product in the past. Also ask them if they've ever been sampled. Ask them to rate the taste of the product on a scale of 1 to 5. You might need to explain this to them. Input any feedbacks and reviews they might have about the product. Fill in the city and segment you're currently sampling. Select the local government area sampled. Then fill in your own name as a sampler. The last information you'll need is the name of the consumer engagement executive you currently work with. Then you submit. Now always remember to be cautious and polite. You must be neat and practice safe hygiene at all times. Communicate only the right product information. Accurate data must be collected and recorded on spot. Pilfering and stealing would lead to immediate dismissal. Now, every sampler has a target, so you'll need to work hard and smart to meet yours.